Let's look at what happened with Tesla today, and also something special happened with Lucid. So we are rebounding a little bit. We are up $7, 7.2. That's almost 3%, closed at 248.23. Let's look at what this means on our chart. So remember yesterday we tried to break 265.32, could not do it. We tried yesterday, we tried the day before, and we had the big move downs, and we had support. We found support at 238. This morning, let's take a look at the 1 hour chart to understand how the day happened. So Friday, this is the first candle of the day. Look at this. Opened at 235, so lower than 238. Opened at 235. Nice green candle on the first hour. Second hour, we see that we are starting to slow down at 250. Second hour, we break during the hour, but we closed lower. Third hour, same thing. Fourth hour, same thing. Fifth hour, we had a break. We had the break. We closed over 250. So you could have seen this. This could have been considered a buy signal on the 1 hour chart, except we did not have stochastic over 60. So stochastic is there to prevent us from buying into stuff that is rebounding after a big move. Stochastic is making sure that there is really a longer term move that is happening and not something that lasts just a couple of candles and then comes back. So this is why stochastic is there. This is why I say wait for stochastic over 60 in order to confirm a move that you see. Sometimes you can get by not having stochastic over 60 and the stock can still go higher. But most of the time, we need to have it. So we did not have it here. Then 6th hour, we had the red candle. And then the last hour, we are coming down. We lost 250 as a support, and we are at 248. Yeah, in terms of indicators, we have the two lines of MACD that are close to zero, and they look like they might be crossing back over. And just as a note, MACD crossed right here. It crossed right here at this point right here. This is where things were slowing down. It still kept going higher, but it was just indicating a slowdown. In terms of all the other indicators on the 1 hour chart, they are bearish. RSI is below 50 and DMI is also gone. Let's go back on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, Tesla is still bullish because we started quite low. This is the bullish channel that we are supposed to be in, and we got overextended. Now we seem to be bouncing on it. So we'll need a few more candles to be sure that we are really stabilizing. Maybe today's candle is just a move, a dead cat bounce, as we say. So even a dead cat can bounce a little bit off the ground. What I am not sure about is this. Is this a top? If this is a top, this means that we have a new channel that we can draw. But this looks like pretty good. So maybe this is what is happening, but I'm not sure because this last candle is a little bit, it's not strong enough to indicate to me that this part right here is a top. So I am not sure yet. We are going to see next week if indeed it is. So if it is a top and we start moving down on Monday, then this 38 support is going to be an interesting short. Maybe if we start going lower, then we could be having a nice move down to 217. So that would be maybe a nice trade. But if it starts to go higher on Monday, then eventually we are going to get stochastic over 60 back. And then this would mean that our new congestion zone is between 238 and 265.32. And we could be zigzagging into this until we get to the earnings call. And then things are going to take maybe another direction. We'll have a clearer picture next week. Let's take a look at what happened to the rest of the market. VIX, we had VIX coming up, and now we have a nice move down, 3.56%. So we like to see this. And also, U.S. bonds are also falling. So yeah, this should be helping the stock market. Tesla is a separate beast. Tesla is a separate beast, but the rest should be doing okay. So Dow Jones, yes, we have a break at 39,896. So Dow Jones continuing higher. That's for one. SPX, because of the move yesterday, SPX is basically going sideways. We have a green day at least. Nasdaq, a little bit of a green day also, but we have not reached where we were yesterday. Let's take a look at our important stocks. So Apple is zigzagging on this bullish channel resistance. We broke it a couple of days ago. Now, yesterday back inside, today outside. So this is really fighting. We see a lot of fighting happening right there. Amazon moving down. AMD cannot break 185. When we are going to break it, this is going to be a break. When and if. Adobe pulling back down. ARM. Okay, ARM, we are recovering from yesterday. So we are back into play. Google weakening a little bit. Microsoft also. Look at stochastic on Microsoft right here. It's 57, so big move down in stochastic, so maybe we could be seeing a further move down. Meta continuing down. Look at stochastic right here. Stochastic plant like this. We should be going lower. Nvidia pretty much zigzagging. This one is, as I said, way too close to resistance to buy that. Palantir back up. Yeah, we are seeing a different, a different congestion zone right here. This is where we are at right now. But stochastic is pretty good. Stochastic is really good at 90. So, this is just some zigzagging. This is a stock that zigzags a lot. Yeah, you see it go up and down, up and down. It zigzags really a lot. So, this is just this is par for that course. SMCI sideways. SoFi, we had a little bit of a break right here. 677 is continuing. EV stocks, BYD doing nicely, 0.72% up. Lucid, look at this. We had the break yesterday. I did not buy it. We had the break yesterday. Boom, look at this, moving like crazy, 25% higher. So apparently Lucid is going higher because of a recent comment from Peter Rawlinson about the company's growth strategy and funding needs. He emphasized the need for continued fundraising to support Lucid's ambitions of becoming a major player in the EV market. He highlighted the partnership with Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund. They have invested $6.4 billion. So yeah, they have a lot of money. And Lucid's EV technology licensing deal with Aston Martin. That's great news for Lucid. So maybe this is what is moving the stock. Has generated interest from other companies, including potential future deals. So it plans to start producing its 7-seat Gravity SUV later this year, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, so Lucid might be doing something really good. So, this is a little bit too late to enter. This morning was the right time to enter. So let's hope that we have a little bit of a pullback eventually to get back into that play. Neo Battery Material lower, Neo sideways, Novan. Xpeng moving a little bit higher too. Rivian, nice move. Rivian, nice move. We are up 8%. This is like a rocket ship, so I'm very happy in that one. Nouveau Monde Graphite doing nothing. Nikola Mining also. We had the break yesterday. I added a little bit today, or quite a bit today. We'll see where it takes us. Bitcoin, nothing. XRP, yeah, 4% up. Physical silver, yes. After yesterday, this was a break, but there's some resistance there. So, after 1893, this is going to be a little bit more sure, less risk. And silver is zigzagging a little bit. I sold some silver to get back into Nikola Mining. So sometimes when I sell something, it's not because I don't believe in it. It's just because I believe something else might be moving faster. So yeah, Tesla, special day, but it's not going down too low. So Tesla has reported that Robo-Taxi delay does not take it off track. It's not off track, but it would have been something special. So I think, we could have reached 313, 360, maybe. It could have been a great run. Well, it was still a great run, but it could have been a fantastic run. So let's just wait for the earnings call and see what is going to happen in the meantime. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday unless you are a member, in which case we are also going to talk on Sunday. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.